Hi interwebs, just a very brief update here. I'll make this real quick. I've now moved the unit upstairs because quite frankly it was really cold down there and in the shop, and I wanted it to be warmer. So anyway, here's where I'm up to now. I've now installed the front panel. As you can see, the keyboard, mouse, computer and monitor are now installed in the front panel. One thing I've acquired here, which I didn't mention in the last video because, well, I didn't have it, was this little gadget here that was donated by one of my friends. It's actually a little 5 1/4 drive bay device meant to be a fan controller for your PC. But what it also has is 3 little temperature probes. Let's see how close I can get in on this here before you just can't see it anymore. LCDs don't show up too well. There you can sort of see it now. Anyway, it's got 3 temperature probes on it with some little temperature preset alarms on it. So what I'm going to do is tie each of the 3 temp probes onto the X, Y, and Z axes, figure out what they sort of normally run at, and then you just set the little toggle switches there, and if you ever breach that temperature, a little alarm goes off. Anyway, as I mentioned in the last video, I was going to mount a fan on the top. So there's one up in the top, and I was going to put one in the side, so that one's there. The other thing I mentioned too was that I also put some felt feet on the bottom of it so I don't chew up my table as I rotate this here. I mentioned that it was a little dark in there, so I put a little 20-watt light in the top of the cabinet, and it's tied in with a little switch here, so as soon as I put the back on the cabinet, bloop, out goes the light. And now it's on. Ooh, so complicated. Anyway, it makes it a lot easier to do wiring and stuff. So here's a little brief look at the inside. The 2 controller boards, as you can see, are just sitting here. They're not actually wired into anything yet. But I've got a little 120 box that's secured down here, so I can plug things in. The 24-volt power supply is sitting over there. It's a, what the heck is it? It's a Cosell P300E24, which is a 24-volt, 14-amp regulated power supply. Way more complex and a hell of a lot better than what I was originally going to shove in there, which was just an unregulated 24-volt transformer-based. That's a switching power supply like a PC is. Anyway, that's about it. You can see the monitor is actually attached to the panel. Maybe you can see that, I don't know. There. It's actually attached right onto the front panel. There's the wireless device dongle thingy there. And pretty obviously the PC. So there we go. That's it. Talk to you later.